Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can read by the title, I am we're back. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can read by the title, we've got the water pump in. I'm about to get ready to leave here to go get the water pump right now as I speak. And yeah, so alright, so about here to get the water pump, I will be taking my girlfriend's car, and yeah. Alright, so about to get ready to head up here to O'Reilly's to get the part. It was so, okay, I was gonna order the part like online, but I was like, nah, I probably find it faster, but then I ended up couldn't find it no faster, so I just still ordered it like in the store or whatever. But yeah, I was finna, it was only two places that had it like in my town or whatever, and that was Napa and O'Reilly's. Napa, it was almost like a whole like $50 like more. It was like $176 at Napa, and that's without like tax and everything. But at O'Reilly's, it was like $140 with taxes, and I had to pay freight fees. I thought it was crazy. I didn't really understand, you know, why I had to pay freight fee for something so small. But anyway, yeah, I'll let you guys know once I make it there. Alright guys, so I just made it back to the house. Here's the box with everything, the gaskets, yada yada. And I just got through moving all the cars around to get this car in the carport. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to disassemble all of this stuff. And yeah. Alright guys, it's a little bit later. You can see now it is nighttime now. This is the little light setup that I'm using because this light right here is just not enough light because of the hood. But now I am trying to get, I got this hose off right here. Trying to get this, this is the last hose I'm trying to get off, and now I'm trying to get this hose off, if it can show what it, this hose right here where my finger is touching. Trying to get that hose off as well. And the mugs are on there, like really tight. But I just wanted to update you guys while I'm trying to take this off. Let's see, I'm trying to get this camera somewhere where y'all can see it. I'm trying to get this thing off of here. This is the old one. The mug was pretty stuck on there. Not too bad though. Alright guys, so here is them both side by side. Still it's a motorcraft one. The only thing that's different is instead of it, the old one is a 4-bolt pattern one, and the new one is a 3-bolt pattern. But this is the new, as you can see, and then this is the old one, as you can bad. And this on the inside is, can't really hit. Hold on, if you can hit it, it's real rough and stuff, and it's rattling. This is like wiggling bad and stuff. But yeah, here's the back. Now that's the back. How the old one look versus how the new one look. But yeah, guys. Now we finna install it, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So we just finished up putting everything in. Now all I gotta do is get some coolant, and then we'll see how she runs. Okay, as we was about to get ready to put the coolant in, the top sort of snapped off. It didn't, I don't know how it snapped off, but it just snapped clean off. The grooves of the water top or whatever, it was still stuck on the inside of the water reservoir, but the top came off. It was weird. Okay guys, it is the next day, and as you can see what happened last night, the top, I don't even know what happened, but the top just completely just untwisted. Like it just broke off. But as of right now, we're finna get ready to go ahead and get the top, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just made it back. It is the old top. As you can see, the whole inside just came clean off. And here's the new top that I put on it. Tell me if any of y'all down in the comments have had that happen. I don't even know how that happened. The whole like inside, like the little pressurized part where you put it, like, you know, the little clip inside the little clip inside the top, it came off. So just let me know if you guys had anything like that. I don't know if you guys can, I'm pretty sure you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna talk up a little louder. But there's the new water pump right here, and apparently it must have been going on for a while, because it's the whole, like, the engine bay is like so much quieter now than what it used to be. But yeah, that's the new one. Now we're finna get ready to go for a ride so we can see how everything feels. But I'm gonna let the car warm up first. All right, guys, so we got everything finished up with the car and everything. You see, I had that crazy incident with the top. I have no idea how that ever happened. Let me know, once again, let me know if you guys have that happened before with, you know, with y'all top. I don't even know how does that happen. But I just want to say I appreciate each and every last one of y'all that stopped by and clicked this video. And if you made it this far in the video, I want to say I really appreciate you. Yeah, we got a lot of big stuff coming that's on the way to the channel, and if you can please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.